Good morning, folks. Well, what can I say? After this video, I'm going to the store for supplies. Now we have a quadruple impact coming. Amidst the 10 X-class solar flares over the last few days, 4 strong CMEs are currently on their way to Earth. Yesterday was the first time in 7 years I had to make 3 separate videos in one day. We started the morning with 1 CME on the way. By midday it was 2 and maybe a third, and last night we shared the data indicating that for sure there were 3 CMEs on their way here. In this video, we will see the 4th, another X-class solar flare releasing towards the Earth. We'll see the first 3 on SOHO, the last one on stereo, and we'll see the Enlil spiral updated with 2 of these. We'll start with SOHO. Each of those first 3 CMEs is labeled. We're going to go through this twice. These eruptions are full halo coronal mass ejections of plasma from the solar flares. All 3 will hit this weekend. The last one, from the last and largest flare you see here on the X-ray flux chart, occurred this morning. Hard to miss, and the same coronal rippling outward from the shockwave of the blast can be seen. Folks, the stereo A coronagraph isn't as pretty, but it does often update faster. That is the 4th full halo event from this morning. Only the first frame 1 image is updated on SOHO, but so far, it also appears to show that full halo eruption. And that makes 4. The Enlil spiral is lagging behind the most. Only the first 2 events are shown. But whoa, that's a powerful impact. Extreme density and very fast plasma speed, and don't forget, they're going to need to add 2 more to this model. We do indeed have 4 CMEs heading this way, and the geomagnetic storms will be strong. I'll modify the forecast I gave last night, which will still need to be updated again when the Enlil spirals get all 4 events on there. We should take level 3 or 4 storms, KP 7 or 8, and I have very strong confidence in that. There is now very little chance it'll be a lower level event, and I have upped the chances for a level 5 storm, KP9, from 10% last night to 15% this morning. I've also taken up the kill shot potential of this event from 5% last night to 8 to 10% now. This is the highest risk I have ever given for any space weather event, and although the chances are still low of this being the event that they call the solar kill shot, the global EMP, the one that takes away our civilization, I'm still heading to the store for extra supplies. I will be back in a few hours, and I will be updating all of this information, hopefully with all 4 CMEs on SOHO, hopefully with all 4 CMEs on the Enlil spiral, and I will further explain the kill shot and what we should expect this weekend when they arrive, meteorologically, seismologically, physiologically, psychologically, and technologically. We greatly appreciate your support. I'll see you in a few hours, right here, but right now at 6 a.m. in the new Valley of the Sun. Eyes open, no fear. Be safe, everyone.